Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, Daniel's Hungry. I'm Daniel, and today we're going to be making cookies and cream ice cream for the kiddos. Today's ingredients, we're going to be using extra heavy whipping cream. We're going to be using 1 3/4 cups. We're going to be using whole milk, and that's going to be 1 1/4 cups. We're going to be using sugar. This is 3/4 cups of sugar, 15 Oreos, 1 tablespoon of vanilla extract, and 1/8 teaspoon of salt. Okay, so first thing we're gonna do, we're gonna go ahead, come over here on our Instantpot A60 blender, and we're gonna pour in our liquids. We're gonna start off with the heavy whipping cream. That's 1 3/4 cups. We're gonna do the milk. That's 1 1/4 cup. We're gonna add our sugar. That's 3/4 cups. We're gonna go ahead and add our tablespoon of vanilla extract. We're gonna go ahead and bam, the salt. That's 1/8 teaspoon of salt. And we're gonna put in our cookies. These are 15 Oreo cookies. All right. After that's done, we're gonna go ahead and cover. Come over here to frozen dessert, and let it ride. Okay guys, this thing is done. Let's go ahead and take it out. We're gonna pour it into a container and freeze it for 6 hours, okay? All right, we're gonna go ahead and close this and set it up. I'll go ahead and try this real quick and see how it tastes, guys. It tastes just like cookies and cream. I can't wait to try it out whenever we freeze it. All right, guys, it's the next day and this thing is ready to eat. So we're gonna go ahead and scoop it up and serve JD. Alright guys, it's all served up. Take a look. I know it doesn't look like a traditional cookies and cream, but it tastes really good. It tastes the same. So okay, let me go ahead and call JD because he requested this recipe. Hi you woo! Hey, there he is. Alright JD.
This looks so rude.
Give it a try.
10 out of 10.
10 out of 10?
Mm-hmm.
What does it taste like?
Like a plain cookies and cream.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. The texture feels so smooth.
So smooth. Alright. So is it good ice cream?
Best ice cream.
The best one out of all of them that you've had so far. What do you think?
Well, my top 2 are gonna be this one and the chocolate one.
Alright. So there you have it. So give this video a thumbs up, like, share, and remember, only the strong subscribe.